Hi, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. I'm Can, and today we're going to learn how to do some diagonal tuts. Okay, the difference between diagonal tuts and regular tuts is instead of having lines going up, down, left, right, we're going to have them going from this corner to this corner, that corner to that corner. So think about this grid right here. Okay, this basic grid that comes from the front grid, the body grid right here, right? So if you imagine this box right here, there's four corners, okay? So you basically want to draw a line from the top to the bottom opposite corner right there to create this line, okay? Try your best to make it exactly 45 degrees, okay? Because if you can get this angle properly, then it should theoretically fit in with your regular 90-degree angles. Okay, so really pay attention to your own square, and then make sure when you draw the diagonal lines that it lines up with that square. Okay, so there's still a 90-degree angle, even if it's an X, right? The 90 degree should still be happening. Okay, so try not to make it too narrow, or like this way or that way. Okay, keep it at 90 still. All right, so from this X we're going to slide. Okay, you can pick any arm, slide down. Okay, so for here, this is something that you can use as like a guide, right? Here, just so you can get familiar with going up and down the diagonals. So all I'm doing is going one hand space up this diagonal, going back, up, going back, and then going down, going back. So theoretically, that point where your hands cross should never go anywhere. Okay, so try to keep that point right here and try to move around that one point, okay, while keeping everything diagonal. So here, like that. Boom, 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 boom. So you see how I'm using this point as a way to just move things around it. Let's try this. We're gonna go with just one hand. All right, you're gonna slide, fold, slide. Okay, one more time. Slide, fold it under, slide. And when you fold it, if you were to slide it back up, this should be this same position, but just with this over here. Okay, so when you're sliding up and down, make sure your elbow's not crooked or anything. You gotta also make sure that the elbow stays at that 45. Okay, so from here, okay, you're gonna slide here and then slide up, switch, and then here, okay, and then here. All right, one more time. So from here, pull it, fold, slide, switch, slide, unfold, slide. All right, so we just did the opposite of the other arm. So you can try it with the other arm and go boom, fold, slide, switch, here, boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's just a way for you to get familiar with this whole concept. Boom, 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 boom. And then try mixing that pattern up, okay? So you can go, instead of just sliding, you can be like fold here, or fold, here, and then just slide, boom, 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 slide, and then slide this way, slide, okay? And remember, once this X is ingrained in your eyeballs and you could pretty much see it, you can go from like regular tuts and then just go right into the diagonals. Here, and then boom, 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 boom. Okay, so really practice moving around that point. Okay, notice I'm not saying grid. Even though it is a grid this way, it's much easier to focus on this center point and making sure that everything has that X shape around this point. Okay, another thing you can do is focus on the box, right? and then trying to go to different corners of the box, like, okay, top corner, this corner, you know, and then bottom corner, boom, boom, here, or whatever points you want to focus on, as long as it makes sense to you, and as long as that diagonal line is making that X, okay? And also, this could lead into like going to different areas, right? It doesn't have to be in the exact middle, but this is just like a starting point, okay? You could start here, 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 and then make your way over. Boom, 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 rotate, boom, 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 rotate. So you see how that point goes from this, and once you know where that point is, you can transition into regular grids, 90-degree angle grids, and then you could pretty much pick any point now and turn that into this, okay? So for example, if I go here, and then usually this is like off center, right? So I can go here, 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 and then make something happen there. So you kind of get the idea, right? So basically now you know that this X could pretty much exist in any point from your regular grid, like even right here, right? If I made a point like right here, you can go like whatever, boom, boom, and then try to make more diagonal grids wherever you can, you know? So you can make it right here, 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 middle. You get the idea. Okay, so those are pretty much the basics for diagonal grids. Just keep in mind, you know, that it's still 90 degrees, just turned to the side. So technically it's 45 degrees, but just remember, even if it's an X, make sure its boxes could still fit, okay? And that's it for that tutorial. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me at can.periodics on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.